My name is Gerard Murtagh and I'm the founder of MouldMen. MouldMen is a mould removal company based here in Queensland, but we service New South Wales, Victoria and Tasmania. MouldMen's been on the Simpro platform for at least 12 years. We moved to Simpro because of its functionality. As a business that was growing very rapidly, we needed a product that we knew that we could scale with. The functionality enabled us to scale very rapidly. And not only that, we were able to go into different markets with more technicians, more vans, but also track all of our jobs. With mould, we deal with ever-changing environment, but what doesn't change is usually the house. Simpro gives us the ability to have all that data in one place for that property, not just for the client, but for the property. So when somebody calls us and says they've got mould in a property, we're able to look back and see if there's any history for mould in that home. In some cases, we've seen a 56% increase in productivity, and that has also meant a 72% increase in our weekly revenue. The cleanness of that data has enabled us to build our own neural network. Without having clean data, we wouldn't have been able to build our own AI. If there is ever a problem that may end up in court, we have all of that data in one place, and we know that it's accurate. The way that I see Simpro evolving is going to be based around our ability to use our own neural network, but using all the data that comes through and is stored inside Simpro. I'm looking forward to seeing Simpro open up these APIs so that businesses continue to grow in this ever-changing world. The thought of running MouldMen without Simpro is more like watching a horror movie where you don't know what's coming. And I would never want to be in a position where I'm starting a business without Simpro as a centerpiece of our operation.